factorization method to solve a quadratic equation. How do we solve a quadratic equation? Before we answer this question, let's look at the standard form of the quadratic equation. The standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a is not equal to 0 and a, b and c are real numbers. How do we solve this equation? One way is to solve using factorization method. In this method, the quadratic polynomial is factorized into two factors. How do we find the factors? Let's take an example to understand the complete procedure. Consider a quadratic equation x square minus x minus 72 equal to 0. Here, coefficient of x square is 1, coefficient of x is negative 1, and negative 72 is the constant term. To factorize this quadratic equation, we will follow some simple steps. The first step is to find the product of coefficient of x square and the constant term, that is, product of 1 and negative 72. The second step is to find two factors of negative 72, such that their sum or difference is equal to the coefficient of x, which is negative 1. We can see that negative 9 and positive 8 are two such factors that are satisfying both the conditions. That is, product of negative 9 and positive 8 is negative 72, and sum of negative 9 and positive 8 is negative 1, which is the coefficient of x. The third step is to split the middle term of the quadratic equation. That is, we write negative x as sum of negative 9x and positive 8x. So, our quadratic equation becomes x squared minus 9x plus 8x minus 72 equal to 0. The last step is to form two groups and factorize. So, we will form two groups like this. Now, we will take x common from the first group and 8 common from the second group. Now, we will take x minus 9 common from both the groups. By doing this, we get two factors, that is x minus 9 and x plus 8. Now that we have found the factors, solving this quadratic equation has become very simple. To solve this quadratic equation, we just need to equate each factor to 0 and solve for variable x. That is, x minus 9 equal to 0 will give us x equal to 9. Similarly, x plus 8 equal to 0 will give us x equal to negative 8. Therefore, we get x equal to 9 and x equal to negative 8 as the roots of this quadratic equation. Hence, we have solved the quadratic equation using factorization method.